Hey guys, IB friends, just checking in, saying hey. Uh, you saw your assignment from yesterday. If you got that, go ahead and watch that video. Like I said, you may want to watch it twice, to help you formulate an opinion. But I figure tomorrow we'll have like our little group discussion. It'll be our version of TOK, because I'm trying to steal Mrs. Kelly's job. Um, and yeah, so we'll talk about whether you think math is invented or discovered um, and why. So make sure you kind of have a prepared answer for that. At least you're not just going to BS. I mean, you're going to be BSing, but at least prepare your BS, and make it sound good. So hopefully we'll have a good discussion. Trying to keep it easy. Hope you're doing well. Get outside while it's still warm. Because supposedly gonna get cold tomorrow, so or not maybe Thursday. Um, that's all. Cheers. See ya.